Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditya and today we will be discussing about US accident geospatial analysis. Basically it means the accidents which happened in the United States of America, where they happened and the density where the accidents were more. So let's get started. So this is my Kaggle notebook in which I have coded this project, and this is basically my data frame US accidents 2016 to 2021. And then I have this CSV file in which US accidents December 21 updated dot CSV file, which is a pretty big file around 1.15 GB. And then I have my first cell, which again basically imports all the required libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, what all we need. And then we have this file path by which we will read our CSV file. As you can see in the next cell, we are reading the CSV file using read underscore CSV method. We'll name our data frame as df, and then we'll use df dot head to basically look upon our data frame how it looks like. So basically this is my data frame. As you can see, it has many columns which includes severity rating, start time, end time, start latitude, start longitude, end latitude, end longitude. Basically we are keeping this project as simple as possible, so we'll use only these two columns, which are start latitude and start longitude. We will be focusing on other columns. If you want, you can comment down below if you want a video on basically analyzing these columns also, so you can comment down below if you want a video on these columns too. As far as this video is concerned, we will be analyzing on basically these two columns only, which are start latitude and start longitude. Since we are analyzing the geospatial data, so we only need two columns, which are latitude and longitude, and also we are keeping it simple. So in the next cell, what we are doing is we are basically creating a new data frame, and then we are accessing these two columns using the ilock method. We want all the rows, so I have kept this colon, and we want only the fourth and the fifth column, so we are using this 4:6, and then reset underscore index, which is basically um, used to create a data frame from basically this is a series value, so it will create a data frame out of this series value. And then we want a glimpse of our new data frame, so this is how it looks like. Then we want to group by our data frame, so we'll group it using latitude and start longitude, and we will access the index column. We'll count the index column, like how many accidents occurred at a particular latitude and longitude, and then we'll count it. So basically what we are doing is, first we are grouping the data frame according to latitude and longitude both, and then we are accessing the index column and we are counting like how many rows, or else how many accidents happened at a particular latitude or longitude. And then we are converting this series value, since this would be a series value, so we'll be converting this series value into a data frame by using reset underscore index method. So then we'll have a look on how our rush data frame looks like. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, there is a start latitude, a start longitude, and then there is an index column, which basically index basically here specifies to the count or the number of accidents which happened at this particular latitude and longitude. So in the next cell, what we are doing is we are basically importing heat map from folium.plugins, and then we are importing folium. I have basically created a lot of videos on folium. You can watch them. In those videos, I have explained why folium is helpful, like why folium has to be in your top minds if you are analyzing a data on geospatial basis, like on latitude longitudes. So this folium library should be on your priority. I have explained this in all my videos mentioned before. So now what we'll do is we'll basically use this base map equals to folium.map, and then we'll be plotting our heat map of rush to our base map, and then we'll basically see how our base map looks like. So this is my USA. This is also a part of USA, but I think this is like the most rare populated. So I think this basically this was not included. Maybe we can think of it. Basically, I think it's not included in the survey or the survey which was conducted to write this data frame. I think this part was not included, but this is also a part of USA itself. So this is actually the United States of America. So if we zoom in, um, if we zoom here, basically I think um, maybe Washington DC or I guess New York City maybe belongs here, I guess. No signs of yeah. So basically this is like national forest. So basically we can also analyze from this particular um, map that in the forest areas, like this is a Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest. So basically this had no accidents. Where would an accident happen? Where people would be there, vehicles would be there. Basically this is a forest area, so no accidents happened here. And basically these all areas would be residential areas or roads maybe. If we zoom in here, if we zoom in more, yep. So basically I think these would be national highways or roads or maybe residential areas. So yep. So this is how you can perform this geospatial analysis on US accidents data frame. Like this is my data frame and I performed this folium analysis on this. So yep. So this is how we perform this geospatial analysis, and that's all from this video. Thank you for watching.